that ecological. Now the fourth number is based on soil type, like edaphic. So based on soil type, the first is given that weeds of black cotton soil. These are often closely allied to those that grow in dry condition. And example is given as Aristolochia brachytata. Now the number B, weeds of red soils, which is mostly germinated in red soils. So they are like the weeds of garden lands consisting of various classes of plants like as Commelina bengalensis. And part number C means third one, weeds of light sandy or loamy soils. So weeds that occur in soils having good drainage. So as an example given Leucas aspera. And the fourth one, weeds of laterite soil. So as an example given Lantana camara and Aspergilla arbensis. So this is the classification based on soil type. And also that fifth one given is that based on their botanical family. So according to the botanical family group, there is a lot of and vast classification. But as an example, that two is given like it's from the Gamini grasses group. Okay, so example is given here Cyanodactylum, and second was given that Solanaceae group, Solanaceae family. So from that Solanum elagnifolium. So that is two basically families given, but there is a vast classification according to the family. So after that, 5 classification has completed, and now the next one, 6 number, based on their place of occurrence. Based on their place of occurrence. So based on their place of occurrence, the first one, weeds of croplands, means which weeds found or occupied on the croplands, majorly crop cultivated areas. So the majority of weeds infest the cultivated lands and cause hindrance to the farmers for successful crop production. As an example, Phyllis minor in wheat. The second one, weeds of pasture lands or grazing lands, because pasture lands generally used for that pasture or grazing grounds. So on that lands which weeds are occurrence, that is known as weeds of pasture land. An example is given that Indigofera inephylla. The third one, weeds of waste places which is not utilized. So corners of fields, margins or of channels. So where weeds grow in profusion. As an example given that Ganandropsis pentaphylla and Calotropis gigantea. So these are the groups which is weeds of waste places. And the fourth one, weeds of playgrounds, roadsides. They are usually hardy prostrate perennials capable of withstanding any amount of trampling. As an example given, Alternanthera, Echinata and Tribulus terrestris. So these are the classification according to the based place of occurrence. Now the 7th number classification based on that Cotyledon number. Based on Cotyledon number, the base of cotyledons, it can be classified as dicots or monocots. Okay, so based on cotyledon, that is 2 types of cotyledon, monocots. So and second one, dicots. So which is the single cotyledons found, that is monocots, and there is double or dicotyledons, means dicotyledons found, so that is dicots group. So first one, monocots, as an example is given that Panicum flavidum and Echinicola colonna. Dicots, so Crotalaria vericosa and Indigofera viscosa. So that is 2 based on cotyledon number. And the next one is come based on soil pH. According to the pH group, so preference, that is 3 type of categories are come in that. The first one,